Hello fellow coders, hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to be talking about the print function. So let's open this practice.py with the code. In the first video I talked about setting up the environment. In that I showed you that how you could install the Visual Studio Code. Print function in Python is used to display any result or data in form of different data types. For the sake of demonstration, I'm going to show you how you can use print function. You just have to type print with two small brackets and inside it double quotes, and in the double quotes you can write any type of data. For example, I want my name to be printed and a random number. Let's say I'm going to type 90 here. Now the whole thing is going to be displayed when I'm going to run this thing. It is displaying these two things, hello world and my name 90. Both of them are displayed after leaving a single line because I have used two different lines to print them. I'm just going to close this thing. Here with print function you can use double quotes or single quotes interchangeably. The difference between them is that you could use single quotes to print double quotes or vice versa. For example, I'm going to print my name using the double quote. As you can see, I have used double quotes here. I'm just going to close this terminal for now, and inside it I could use single quotes as well, and now it is going to print this whole thing. Now as you can see, it is displaying single quotes as well, and you could do the same thing with the help of single quotes instead of double quotes to display double quotes inside it. Now as you can see, it is displaying the name in double quotes, and that is how you could use both of them interchangeably. Now let's talk about why are we using quotes around the example. You see, double quotes or single quotes to group them together. As you can see, it is made out of 4 different characters, but 2 of them are these double quotes. So we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 characters, and basically this single quote is grouping all of them together into a single type of data. And this collection of characters inside double quotes or single quotes is known as string. We can use print function to display other data types as well. We'll talk about them in future videos. That's it for now guys. Hope you all found this video helpful. Please leave a like below and share this video with your friends, and I'll see you very soon. Later.